there is an entirely different body of research, researchers, approaches, tools, science, in fact, which most of development economics is actually not familiar or comfortable with at all. And so although we talk about climate change, we're unable really to engage with that, with the analysis in ways that go beyond just saying, oh, what's going to be the impact on small island states or coastal areas or agriculture or that kind of thing. But we're not really able to engage in a full way with the scientists, the environmental and other scientists, the physicists and others working on climate change. And I think that this weakness is something that we should really actively try to overcome if we are to get much more fruitful ways of looking at this. And it's from both sides, because if I look at the way, for instance, most of the climate change scientists who attempt to integrate economic thinking or economic analysis into their models, their large models, how they go about it, that's also extremely crude. They can't go beyond computable general equilibrium models and things like that, which, have some uses, but really have also lots of limits in terms of what they can tell us. And I think that if we are to really take hold of and look at, be able to move forward in thinking about the real connections between these three crises, we're going to have to try and break through these barriers of language, of sciences, of ways of thinking, etc. Now that's a tall order usually when it comes to sciences which have entirely different languages and disciplines. But it can be done, and I think it can be done with concerted effort and with systematic attempts. Not perfectly, but well enough for us to be able to really make some advances.